Welcome to Photoshop Quick and Easy Tips to level up your design skills. Photoshop Tutorial, Beginner Series, Episode 8, Basic Color Correction. Need your image to pop more? Today we'll cover basic color correction using built-in adjustment tools. With your image layer selected, go to Image, click on Adjustments, then click on Brightness, Contrast. Adjust the sliders, brightness for light, dark, and contrast for pop and depth. Click OK when you're happy. Next, let's tweak the colors. Go to Image, click on Adjustments, then click on Hue and Saturation. Move the Hue slider to shift color tones, Saturation for intensity, and Lightness to lighten or darken. Too much editing? Click Edit, then click Undo or press Ctrl or Command+Z. Pro tip, instead of adjusting directly, use Adjustment Layers. Via Layer, click New Adjustment Layer, so you can edit non-destructively anytime. Now your photos are looking better already. Next lesson, how to undo mistakes and explore Photoshop's History panel. Disclaimer, I'm not a Photoshop expert or certified instructor. All tutorials in this channel are based on my personal experience, learning, and practice. I share these tips to help fellow beginners like me. Please feel free to explore more and use what works best for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.